Well, this lighting of the lamp, ladies and gentlemen, surely ensures a positive start. A huge round of applause, please. Come on, everybody.
Healthcare system and could also empower the whole process of nation building in a way that it also creates value for its stakeholders. In doing so, we were just about over with basic ideas of the healthcare ecosystem that the coronavirus hit us in early 2020. And the first lockdown gave us a lot of time to have long brainstorming sessions with our advisors, with the scientific community that we reached out to, and understand that the very start of the whole system is at the level of collecting data, which comes from diagnostics. At that time, words like variants, words like mutations, etc., became a very common part of household narrative because every day the press was bombarded with news around corona.
I hope you all are ready for the product unveiling. Yes, ladies and gentlemen? Yes? Can we make some noise? Yes? Yes. Let us do it together. And here in front of you, the Surl Test RT Lamp Kit, ladies and gentlemen.
सर थोड़ा साथ में आ जाओ थोड़ा सा यस
Ladies and gentlemen, the logo of Quick Time Lab. A huge round of applause, please.
यस मैम stand from here. Yes. Thank you, sir.
This small bag can actually do 120 tests in one go. तो आप उस डब्बे को देख के डरिए मत, वो अच्छी फोटो है इसलिए हमने ड्रॉ करा था. This is the actual test. Now the parents are speaking in the end. सबने सब कुछ ही बोल दिया है. Word of thanks धनंजय भाई ने दिया है, टेक्निकल सारी डिस्कशन हो गई है. But let me take this opportunity to tell you about what we all have been trying to do for long and tell you more about the associations, the unveiling of which you just saw. But let me give you a little backstory and I won't take much time. I'll finish in flat 10 minutes. Incidentally, 10 minutes is the time which our test takes to tell you if you are positive. So that's the rapidity of the test. We have planned a whole Jing Bang show, but it's a solemn occasion due to the demise of CDS Travel, so we are keeping it low. But these next 10 minutes are very, very important for you to know. शाहरुख खान के 70 मिनट से भी ज़्यादा ये 10 मिनट हैं. आखिर में आपको पता चलेगा ये 10 मिनट क्यों ज़रूरी है. So धनंजय भाई ने आपको बैक स्टोरी बताई है टेस्ट कैसे बना. जब लॉकडाउन हुआ था हर तरफ त्राही मची हुई थी और मैं सिराज भाई धनंजय भाई के घर में बैठने वालों से तब हम सोच रहे थे ऐसा हम क्या करें, कहीं बाहर जा नहीं पा रहे हैं. Corona has taken over everything. We were poised to become a $5 trillion विश्व गुरु economy, लेकिन वो नहीं हो पा रहा. And that's when, like everyone else, we also went back to the drawing board. कि कोरोना में हम कर क्या सकते हैं. और तब एक कहानी याद आई. I had the pleasure of working for Google Maps and with Mr. Mukesh Ambani. For 2013, we went to Reliance and asked him कि सर पूरे इंडिया में भी 2.5G चल रहा है, Edge, 3G भी पूरा रोल आउट नहीं हुआ है. और आप इंडिया में 4G लेके आना चाहते हैं, आप पहले 3G का कैप्चर कर लो. तो मुकेश अंबानी सेड दैट मैं 3G कर सकता हूँ, मेरे लिए ज़्यादा आसान है. बट अगर मैं 3G आज लेके आऊँगा तो एयरटेल और वोडाफोन पहले लेके आ चुके हैं, तो मैं फॉलोअर बन जाऊँगा. और रिलायंस हमेशा लीडर रहा है. लीडर वो होता है जो कल की टेक्नोलॉजी आज लेके आता है. एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई वांट टू इम्प्लीमेंट 4G. ये 2013 की बात है. टुडे इंडिया इज नंबर 1 इन 4G मोबाइल ब्रॉडबैंड पेनिट्रेशन. दैट्स फर्स्ट इंस्पिरेशन. सेकंड, स्टीव जॉब्स. दुनिया में हर तरफ 2006-07 में मोबाइल फोन, स्मार्टफोन्स फैले हुए. फिर एप्पल को क्या जरूरत पड़ी? तो स्टीव जॉब्स का थॉट था कि एक तरफ आईपॉड चल रहा है म्यूजिक के लिए, एक तरफ इंटरनेट कम्युनिकेटर चल रहे हैं HP iPad, और एक तरफ स्मार्टफोन्स चल रहे हैं ब्लैकबेरी. क्यों ना मैं इन तीनों को कंबाइन करके ये जो 10 साल से स्मार्टफोन आ रहे हैं उससे वर्ल्ड बेस्ट बेहतरीन स्मार्टफोन लेके आऊँ. ये दोनों इंस्पिरेशन लेके धनंजय भाई, मैं, सिराज भाई मार्केट में आए और देखा कोरोना के 3 टेस्ट चल रहे हैं. एक है RT-PCR. It's highly accurate. Accuracy is more than 95%. But time taken is very high. Second wave में हमने देखा 3 दिन तक रिपोर्ट नहीं आ रही थी RT-PCR की. Supreme Court had to intervene. So RT-PCR has high accuracy, but turnaround time and scalability is very, very costly. Then came rapid antigen. 30 मिनट के अंदर टेस्ट का रिजल्ट आ रहा है, बट एक्यूरेसी पैरामीटर इज 55%. ICMR खुद कहती है कि इफ यू आर टेस्टेड नेगेटिव ऑन अ रैपिड एंटीजन देन यू हैव टू डू RT-PCR. तो स्पीड तो बढ़ गई पर एक्यूरेसी गिर गई. तीसरा एंटीबॉडी, जो कि एक्चुअली में अब सिर्फ सेरो सर्विलेंस का टेस्ट है. एंटीबॉडी टेस्ट अफोर्डेबल बहुत था, आसान बहुत था, खून निकाला डाला टेस्ट की रिपोर्ट आ गई. That's when we thought let's look at global trends, and we looked at RT-LAMP, which was a very popular technology in Europe as well as in Americas, but it had issues of price, scalability and time. And that's when we put our heads together, went to best of the institutes, looked at the existing research in the country and did our secret sauce. उस secret sauce को मिला के finally we were able to create a test which is highly accurate, 97% sensitivity and 100% specificity. It is very, very fast. You get the result in just 30 minutes. 30 minutes is the incubation time. Very, very easy to use. It's just a color difference. जब आप टेस्ट के अंदर अपना स्पेसिमेन डालेंगे, it's rose gold pink in color. और अगर वो येलो हो गया तो आप पॉजिटिव हैं. P से पीला, P से पॉजिटिव. That's how simple it is. That's why this is not only a Swadeshi made in India simple test or सरल test, but it is also made for India. This is the kind of simple test जो गांव में लग सके. अभी थर्ड वेव का थोड़ा सा आगाज है ओमिक्रॉन वेरिएंट के कारण. अब इंडिया बेटर प्रिपेयर्ड है. अब अगर एक्चुअली में हम टेस्टिंग हर जगह लगाना चाहते हैं, नीड अ कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव, फास्ट टर्न अराउंड एंड वेरी इजी टू यूज टेस्ट, एंड दैट टेस्ट इज सरल टेस्ट. And that's what we have been trying to do, and finally we are able to achieve that. And our idea of launching this is in the spirit of partnership. I think somebody on the esteemed panel had said that partnership is what will allow you to scale up. And that's where we are very, very honored. In word of thanks, I would like to thank Shabnam ma'am, who has been a sutradhar in stitching this together and getting us 2 partners. The first partner is Healthians, India's fastest growing door-to-door testing facility. Thank you so much, Deepak, for coming us here. Healthians is our partner to take this test to 120 plus cities. Everyone would be seeing, Pradhan Mantri Modi ने एक मंत्र दिया था, हर घर दस्तक वैक्सीन के लिए. Now we have done the biggest vaccination program in the world. So with people like Deepak, we are very proud to say, inspired by the clarion call of Prime Minister and the Health Minister, we are proud to launch हर घर testing. So hashtag हर घर testing आप जरूर लिखिएगा. Along with Healthians, we want to take this fast, reliable and simple सरल test to each household under the aegis of the campaign called हर घर testing. And it's an esteemed honor of ours to have Shri George Guruvilla with us. Basil has been making a lot of waves in so many sectors. Sir, I was reading you have launched a digital forensic lab also. I think there's hardly anything that you don't do. You are also a big all-rounder like you. So you're doing everything, and we are very, very happy that, like always, Basil has taken this step to aid the government's mission of ensuring the lockdown doesn't happen. Quick screening, quick diagnostic, quick containment, and quick back to business. And that's where, along with Basil, we plan to take this test under the name Quick Time Labs to airport to Anganwadi, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, from Ganga Sagar to Ganga Nagar. That's the length and breadth that Basil covers, and we are very happy that we are able to power Quick Time Labs by QRX. And in the end, the audience here are not a participant in a very easy to use, fast COVID test. This was India's decade. India was supposed to become a $5 trillion economy and become the Vishwa Guru that India has always been destined to do. You all here are not our partners only, but you are the Pradhan creators of this $5 trillion economy dream. How? If you are able to take this test everywhere, people will be able to test themselves. If somebody is COVID positive, he is able to isolate himself. and let others take forward the business. So I'm standing between you and the high tea, but all I want is just remember this dream is very, very possible. You all are participants of this, and आपसे गुजारिश करूँगा कि to end this, just participate with me in these 2 mantras, जिससे आप यहाँ से जाएं तो आज कुछ चीज़ का खत्म नहीं हो रहा, आज आगाज हो रहा है इस जर्नी का, to make India open and make India विश्व गुरु. तो मेरे साथ आखिर में आप बोलिएगा, आप सबने सुना ही होगा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा विश्व गुरु बन जाएगा. रणवीर सिंह ने गली बॉय में कहा था, प्रधानमंत्री जी ने लाल किले पे कहा था, अब आप सब भी हमारे साथ बोलिए, अपना टाइम, अपना टाइम, अपना टाइम. थैंक यू सो मच, यू बी द वंडरफुल.